The world of marketing has shifted. Today's most effective campaigns are digital, and they don't just interrupt, they engage. In this introductory video, we'll focus on 3 foundational pillars: search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and social media. Mastering these gives you the tools to connect with your audience, amplify your message, and measure impact. Search engine optimization is a strategy that helps your content get found. SEO means making your website and content easier for people to discover when they search for what they need. Digital marketing uses websites, apps, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other digital means to promote products and services. Start with keywords, which are the terms your audience uses to find what they're looking for on Google, Bing, and other search engines. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Answer the Public to research what your audience is searching for, how often, and how competitive the keyword is. Then integrate those keywords naturally into titles, headings, alt text for images, meta descriptions, and body copy. But SEO is about more than words. Technically, it's about site speed, mobile friendliness, clean architecture, and correct markup. It's also about authority, meaning earning backlinks and mentions from credible sites. SEO is a long game. The benefit is compounding. A well-optimized page can bring sustainable traffic over time, so your investment now pays your dividends later. If SEO is long-term, pay-per-click advertising is immediate. It means paying each time someone clicks your ad, often through platforms like Google Ads or Bing Ads. PPC gives you control. You use keywords, targeting, bids, and budget. You can launch quickly and test results fast. For example, a campaign setup for a new product can start delivering traffic in hours. Monitor cost per click, click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, which are all metrics you'll use to see how effective your PPC campaign is and where adjustments might be needed. PPC and SEO work together. SEO nurtures long-term organic traffic, and PPC captures ready-to-act audiences. When used together, you can cover both ends of the sales funnel. Social media is where engagement meets community. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Facebook let you create and share content, connect with your audience, and build brand loyalty. Social media marketing is a strategic approach that lets you build brand awareness and engage directly with consumers. The key is platform fit and authenticity. On LinkedIn, you might share professional insights and long-form articles. On Instagram or TikTok, visuals and short video dominates. Use the right tone and format for your audience. Community matters. Respond to comments, encourage shares, and invite UGC. UGC is user-generated content or posts people make about your product just because they like it, not because you asked them to. Use scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to plan your posts. But remember, interaction makes the difference. So like I said, be sure to respond to comments, tags, shoutouts, and reviews. Paid social ads allow you to target users by demographics, interests, and behaviors. That means you can amplify top-performing organic posts to reach new relevant audiences. Think of these 3 pillars as a unified ecosystem. SEO builds your foundation, PPC drives your targeted traffic, and social media activates communities. Together, they create visibility and influence across the customer journey. Measure across channels. Which keywords bring organic traffic? Which paid ads convert best? Which social posts spark conversations and shares? Use analytic tools like Google Analytics or platform-specific tools to track and refine. Get started by outlining one audience persona. Who are they? What do they need? And what are they searching for? Then pick one keyword topic tied to your content or product and write a blog post or landing page optimized for that keyword. Set a small PPC budget to test a related ad and monitor its performance for a week. Finally, choose one social platform where your audience is most active. Craft a post aligned with the topic and run it organically. After a week, review the data. Which channel gained traction? Which content resonated? And use that to guide your next steps. Mastering SEO, PPC, and social media gives you a powerful toolkit for today's digital marketing. Whether you're launching a side hustle, shifting careers, or building your brand, these skills help you connect, convert, and grow. For deeper learning, explore courses on Coursera that cover digital marketing fundamentals, analytics, and paid media. Check the links in the description and follow for more career-building insights in marketing.